do something right quick. Look what my in-laws sent us. This is Mama. I don't think I'm gonna see anything out here with this light on. Watch this light. I know, right? Well, and it goes just a little dimmer, or it flashes. What it's for. It's for if my daughter's walking at night and some predator or something. I said it could be used as a weapon, but it unscrews real easy, so you might lose pieces if you tried to do that. But it's got a clip on it here, and you'd think there'd be mace or something to it. I don't know. But you're supposed to be able to blind the person with it, because it is extremely bright. I mean, it doesn't literally blind them, but it makes their eyesight go, you know, the big purple blob when they can't see which way you're running. Yeah, that. I gotta show you this chick. Dude, this chick. Alright, like the Oli London thing, okay? You can't change your race. That's so stupid. It's not the same as changing a gender, okay? You could feel like you're, like, I was a tomboy growing up, okay? I did not like girly things, and all my friends were guys, you know, when I was growing up, till I got in high school, and I started gaining more female friends I no longer talk to. All my friends are squirrels now. This damn thing, I keep talking, it won't let you, like, I won't like, blah, 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 blah. As I was saying, what was I saying? Give me 1 second. I do think, though, that the smoking and the coughing is making my voice come back quicker. You know what? Damn it. Don't unsubscribe. Don't do it. I gotta go get the fan. And I'm gonna put my hair up too. Hold up. Welcome back to Mitten's YouTube channel, where she's going to teach you how to groom yourself. Now, if you're flexible, you can reach back and look real far back there. Or you can just start looking somewhere else, because now you know you're on the spot and you don't want to get caught doing nothing embarrassing. No, I get it. I understand. Can I have my seat back? Look. This is my YouTube channel. Okay? You're one of the squirrely neighbors, and I love you, but you ain't the one, yo. You ain't the one. I'm putting my hair up while she's in charge for a second there. Shit's getting so fucking long now. It's like a permanent blanket on my back. I'm so sorry about my voice, you guys. I was so worried about the puppy. I didn't give a damn about my voice. fuck my voice. I knew it would be gone the next day. I knew it would be gone the next day. I didn't care. What mattered was that puppy. Right, Mittens? You saw that puppy. You sniffed its little nose. It was so cute. So sweet. My daughter got a little video too. She sent it to me on Messenger. I still haven't checked it yet. I never check my Messenger. I recently had somebody fuss at me over that shit too. I get anxiety when I get on Messenger and Facebook, where I know I have family and I know that they've spread lies about me through to all of them, and they've all got these twisted misconceptions of who I am because of exaggerated stories from my teenage years, and even having a teenager of my own now, they still treat me like I'm the same. I'm not the same person. Not really. I mean, I am a little bit, but not really. I like girly girl things now. I do. I like my makeup. You hear my knee pop? Mittens, there's nothing out there. What are you doing? Shut up and just show you. Oh my god, I got something to show you. I gotta show you Martina Big. Now, I already know. Wait, there we go. I already know that once I show you this, wait, what's that? Once I show you this, the audio is gonna go wonky, and I'm not gonna want to show my face again. Look, it's a cat that looks like Sweetie. Oh, let's see if something pops up with the light off. First, let me show you. She immediately went in there and laid down. I put this box here so I could put my laptop on. Hold on. Yeah. So that I could put my laptop on it. And I put it on its side. And I stuck her in it. And she just never left. And they're right on me. I don't want to shine this on her face. I'm shining it at my shoe. And it lights her up that much. I mean, oh my god. I don't want to shine it at her face. I want a critter to come outside. What are you doing, silly girl? What are you doing? Hello? Hello? Oh, you look so comfortable. Yeah. Okay. Back to Martina Big. The other cat's right there. See her? I don't want to shine the light on her. See, we call her our owl bunny coon because she looks like an owl. She feels like a bunny, but her tail looks like a raccoon's. The way they're playing through this box is just the cutest thing. Yeah, you hear that? That's the sound of the petting, rubbing her face. Oh, now she just whacked over the edge here. She whacked. Oh my gosh. I wish I could have some light here. What if I aim this sucker at the ground? If it's aimed at the ground, it's too much. I aim it at here. Oh, you just blinded Mittens. That was mean. Okay, this one's going bye-bye. Alright, here she is. Okay. Uh-oh. Why does it do that? Oh! Kitten! Ow! How dare you? She just reached over here and grabbed my fucking arm. Oh God, she's so ferocious. She's so ferocious. Uh-oh. She's got the evil eye. Oh, she's got it, guys. You're a good girl. You're the sweet one. You're a little bitch. And I still love you, though. Don't get me wrong. Look at that fan behind you. I forgot to set up the fan. Oh, the fan. Will you let me through? Will you let me pass? Let's give it a go. I put it on low, and she backed off. Thank God. Sorry, mittens. We're cool now. Back to her. Look how she's got to sleep, yo. Really? I mean, really? Look, there she is. Wow. That's her boyfriend manager guy, I think. They're German, by the way. God. They're just so big. People looking at her. Check out these old photos of her, too. I can imagine. I mean, this one's kind of cute. I mean, come on. Am I right? Oh, cute. That one looks like it's gonna fall any second. But then here's her now. There's her now. Okay. Wait, actually, no, this was a few years ago. No, she's gotten worse. Her tanning injections and shit. And then the filler, oh my God. She gets worse. Hold up. Here we go. I'll show you the goods on a real level. Alright? This is her channel. It's her channel. 2 months ago. That Hello Kitty shirt. The fuck? The fuck, man? I mean, she looked like she got a watermelon in her shirt. Are you fucking kidding me? Wow, dude. Let's click on one of them. Let's click one. I'm gonna have to hang this up. And then she just stands there. I don't understand her language. All in all, we thank you for being here and hanging out with us at the Peanut Butter House. Squirrely neighbors. We love you all. Let's see, is there any stinky bandits? No, there's no stinky bandits. Alright, I'm gonna hang this up. I'm already past the time. We out this piece. Been real. Subscribe and stay tuned to catch our squirrely feedings in the morning.